A smart woman will always look for efficient ways to cut down on the cooking time without actually compromising quality. And that is why today I want to show you how to peel beans easily in 2 different ways. I remain Olabams Creations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. The first method I'll be showing us is how I used my Yam Panda or food processor to peel beans. And what I did was to soak my beans for like 5 to 10 minutes, after which I'm going to be pouring it into the Yam Panda or food processor. I call it food processor because it does a whole lot of things for me. And I'm going to be using maybe like 5 times it would be fine. Our beans is ready to be washed. Now let's see how we can use blender to peel our beans. And you will remember when I was using the first method, I did not add water to the Yam Panda. But in this case, I'll be pouring my beans into the blender. I will add water, at least enough water to level it up. Then I will use the pulse function to peel the beans. And you will see how within split seconds, our beans will be ready to be washed. In fact, my blender has a pulse function. So I'm going to be using the pulse. So that's another way in which you can peel your beans. There is the one we did with the blender, and there is the one we did with our multifunctional. Both the one we did with the blender and the one we did with our food processor, we are going to be putting them together and we go wash off our beans. I'll be right back to show you the final outcome. Look at how neat and beautiful our peeled beans is. And you know, the interesting thing about it is that it was done within a few minutes. So you can choose to use it immediately, keep it inside freezer for later use. You can spread it in the sun to be used for your moi moi, akara, ekuru, bean soup and lots more. You can cut down your cooking time and still eat delicacy. You can be on a diet and still eat delicacy. Beans peeling is as simple as ABC. Ensure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's a way of encouraging me.